Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with ISEE Hair once again. So let's get into the package and what we got today. I got the wig. As you can see, that's the first thing which we're gonna get into in a few. We got some goodies. I got an elastic headband, a pair of lashes, also got a edge brush and comb, a pair of HD wig caps, and a drawstring bag, which is perfect for storage. And then there's the wig. So today's wig is the ISEE glueless wig. It's a kinky straight texture and it's pre-plucked, pre-cut. It's a 9x6 M cap HD lace closure wig. It's 180% in density. You do not need any adhesive for this whatsoever, and as you can see, it's perfectly constructed. This is how the inside looks. All right, it has an adjustable strap. Okay, so you can make that as loose or as tight as you wish, and then there are curves right there at the ear portion to make the wig sit even more comfortably on your head. The texture is very believable, very realistic. Before I went ahead and slipped it on, I took my face powder and kind of ran it along the hairline portion to kind of help with camouflaging it a little bit more, and then I took off a bit of the excess lace, just a little bit. It was a really tiny portion to help everything to melt in even more. I then took my elastic headband, and this helps with just melting the lace down even more, even though I'm not applying any adhesive, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It really helps. You see, it really helps with melting everything and making it look way more realistic and believable. I then went on in with my hair wax, which I use along with my hot comb to lay the top of the wig really nice and flat. And again, this really aided with the wig looking even more realistic and believable. The texture is already a 10.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
After I was done, this is how it looked. Now, if you want to go in and do like a bone straight vibe, you can with your flat iron, but this was giving super natural. It's so flawless. It's absolutely gorgeous. But I went on in with my first look, and I wanted to leave 2 pieces in the front, and I did like a half up, half down vibe. You guys know this is a classic. So this was the first look that I explored with this wig.
Higher, oh.
And this is it. This is how it turned out. Isn't that super clean and just gorgeous? Absolutely love this look. Love it. The wig is also so nice and thick. I did not get that much shedding from it either, so I'm absolutely pleased. And I did all of this while the wig is completely glueless. Okay, perfect for my beginners. I then went into look 2. I wanted to do more of a updo vibe, so I did 2 low buns. I took 2 scrunchies, and again, everything that I'm doing here is very beginner friendly. That's it, and that's the bun. Like, it's not rocket science, guys. I promise you. You need little to no experience to finesse this type of wig on your own. Okay, that's it. It was such a cute look.
Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Like, that's just the cutest vibe. You can see how excited I was. And then I went into my final look. So pretty much I wanted to curl the hair up, so that's what I did, and this did take me a little bit of time. So do make sure, if you're gonna explore that, you do have some time on your hands. But again, it's very much perfect for my beginners. All you need to do is, you know, probably get an automatic curling iron if you do not know how to use a regular one, or how to create a curl regularly with a basic curling iron. So yeah, I just use my automatic curling iron. This saves a lot of time and energy, and I run through the wig, the entire wig, with this curling iron.
No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart beat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
That's it. Look at how full that is. That's just super gorgeous. I just ran through the hair with my hands. You could just fluff it as you please and just kind of just style it and play with it, see how you want it. But that's pretty much it. You see how secure the wig is on my head, by the way? Gorgeous.
Higher. Oh,
But I did make sure to put the link to this wig in my description box, as along with all the specifications. So if you guys want this wig, or if you want to gift somebody this wig, all the information is listed down below. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.